Today, I am testing the Shoe Rack Stackable by Emay Design. I am 3D and you are watching the 100% Printed series, where we find and test 100% 3D printable designs. I just moved into a new apartment and I need furniture fast. A shoe stand was at the top of the list. I wanted something that takes very little space and can be printed at home with no extra hardware. I found this design on Make-A-World and it fits perfectly. It is compact, simple, and looks clean next to the door. Printing is straightforward. The project file includes 3 plates. Plate 1 is the leg with slots on both sides. Plate 2 is the single slot leg, and Plate 3 is the center shelf. Total print time is about 8 hours and it uses around 410 grams of filament. With a 1 kilogram spool, you can print 2 complete stands. Typical settings work fine. If you expect heavier shoes or boots, increase wall count and infill a little for extra strength. PLA or PETG both work well. Assembly is simple. Everything snaps together with a firm fit, no screws and no glue. Use the double slot legs where you plan to link units and the single slot legs at the outer ends for a clean finish. If you do not want to connect stands side by side, just print the single slot leg from plate 2 twice. Because the system is modular, you can expand horizontally by linking units and stack more tiers as you print them. In use, it is compact, sturdy, and tidy. It keeps shoes off the floor and makes good use of vertical space. Cleaning is easy. Wipe it down and it looks new. If you are looking for a space-efficient, fully printable shoe storage solution, this one is worth a try. I am 3D. Thanks for watching the 100% Printed series. See you in the next video. Happy printing!